everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ramita Dhar and you are watching Know Your Psyche. So I am posting the content after a very long time, and I am pretty sure that you guys must be confused because I am also working and I have collaborated with another organization where I work as a content creator. So my content keeps on coming there every Monday. So you guys must be confused that okay, which is my channel, this one, that one. So yeah, this is my own channel, that one is for which I'm working for. I'll be mentioning their link in my description, so please go and check out my content over there too. Show some love and support. I'll be very thankful to you all. So yeah, before I begin with today's video, I would like to extend my thanks and gratitude to Mr. Shoaib Sheikh, who is a vlogger from Mumbai, and he suggested me this topic today. Like on social media, when we interact with people, we often get to know a lot of their perception, a lot of stuff on social media, a lot of videos, a lot of vlogs, a lot of blogs. So yeah, it's good to communicate and it's good to exchange words with each other. So without any further delay, let's talk about it and let's get into the video straight away. Okay, so this topic is FOMO, which is fear of missing out. So FOMO is an abbreviation which stands for fear of missing out. Yeah. So I'm sure most of you must have heard about this term FOMO, but the ones who haven't, we'll definitely discuss it in this video, so don't worry. So yeah, in today's time, basically if we talk about FOMO, it is very much common among all of us, and it is the most significant cause of our stress, and yeah, we get very much stressed when we experience this FOMO. So what it is, how does it happen, and how can we regulate it, or how can we overcome this feeling? So yeah, let's talk about it. Okay, so basically FOMO, or fear of missing out, is a concept where we all carry a perception at some or the other point in our lives that the other person is enjoying his or her life, having fun and living a better or a best life than we are. And we believe in comparisons, and we always kind of discourage ourselves, or we kind of underestimate ourselves and overestimate the other person, yeah, that is what happens. And we feel कि उसकी life में तो इतनी enjoyment है, उसकी life सबसे best है, and मेरी life is like nothing, it's hopeless, it's worthless, and like what's good in our life? So when we start questioning about ourselves, or when we start questioning about our life or our lifestyle, for that matter, in a negative sense, so that is what we called fear of missing out. Like people feel that we are missing upon something, or we are being deprived of something. So related to this FOMO, there is a very common, a very universal example. I am sure आप सब relate कर पाओगे इससे. So it is about social media. So basically nowadays, when we all are under lockdown, and when we were not under lockdown, when there was no COVID, when there was nothing, the situation was absolutely normal. Since then also, we all had experienced this fear of missing out. And if I'll talk about social media, the social media पे comparisons, check-ins, the person is going there and I'm sitting at home. Everybody's having a nightlife, they are partying, they are going on vacations with their family, they are celebrating their birthdays, their anniversaries, and look at me, what am I doing? I'm sitting in my bed with my blanket on, and I'm the most laziest person, or what I can say, the most deprived person. I'm deprived of all the luxuries, I'm deprived of all the fun, and what else I can do? I can only like others' posts, or I can comment on them, and I can look like I can put myself in their position, and I can be happy. I can fantasize about things, I can dream about things which I feel will not be able to fulfill ever. You cannot judge a book by its cover. So similarly, we cannot judge a person only and only upon his or her social media activity. So you need to move much beyond that. You need to understand that person much more beyond social media. That's what you need to know. And once you will get to know that, then only you will be able to figure out your FOMOs, and you'll be able to overcome that, and you'll be able to come out of that. So today we'll be talking about some steps that how you can overcome FOMO and how you can move on in your life with a better perspective and happily. Okay, first of all, what you can do is change your focus. You need to change your focus. Focus upon the things which you have rather than what you lack. Another thing is keep a positive journal of stuff or of your activity, of your daily activities. So make a journal, make a diary, make an article kind of thing where you can write your daily activities, what fun things you have done like all the day, your entire day. So, जैसे कि हम एक टाइम टेबल बनाते हैं कि हम पूरा दिन में ये करेंगे, these are our schedules, but journal is about your life which is very informal, जो आप unknowingly अपनी life में कर देते हो. कुछ चीजें हम plan नहीं करते हैं. Some stuff is not planned, so those unplanned things which by the end of the day when you look upon it you feel very happy and you cherish those memories, you cherish those moments. So reach out and seek for a support system at that moment when you are feeling lonely or when you are having this fear of missing out upon things. So call over your friends or call over your family members and spend some quality time with them. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope that you all liked this content. It is a very very vast topic to talk about, FOMO, and I hope that if this video interested you and you gained a lot of interest in this concept, then you can read much more about it, and you can even read about a lot of cases, a lot of real life cases related to FOMO and what exactly it is. So yeah, I hope that this video helped you a lot in understanding about this concept of FOMO. And yeah, I'll try to be active. I'll try to be active now on, and I'll try to come up with a lot of more interesting videos, a lot of interesting concept. So till then, keep watching, keep supporting, stay positive, stay kind, stay healthy, stay in, and take care of yourself and your family.